Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows Update error code is 0x80070012. So how to fix this Windows Update problem or error. So firstly you need to follow some my easy and quick few steps. So firstly you need to search this troubleshoot settings and open it. Other troubleshoots, just click on it. Windows Update, click on Run. Now wait some few minutes. This process will be complete. If this process will be complete, so close it and search CMD. Run as administrator. Click on it. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now here you need to type this command. First command is sfc spaceless scan now. So first command is this. If second command is this. If you comment, so I will give in description box this second command. So both command type in command prompt. So after both command process will be complete, so close it. This command prompt. Now restart your PC or laptop. And after restart, you can easily resolve this problem. You see this? So this way you can resolve this Windows Update error code is 0x80070012. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.